One more time, all right? Hi everybody, welcome back to Vision Garage. I'm Jeff, that's Kirk, and Gary's over there in the background working on Project Can-Am right now. We're real pleased with this rear window installation, the way it went. Looks great. You know, this came out so good, we're ready to move on to the next modification.
Our goal was to enclose this Can-Am. This happens to be my personal side-by-side. We're going to get it totally enclosed, put heat in it. Our first thing was the rear windshield, which turned out really great. I love it. We've already got the doors that I'm going to use, which are going to be Can-Am half doors.
Harley's excited.
Harley's excited about those doors. And there's a reason why I went with those instead of the full doors. One is expense. I just didn't really think I would use the full enclosure. They're about $5,000. They're nice, but
And they're power windows.
they're power
right?
windows. But in the summertime though, you got to have the air. You got to have. So I wanted the half doors, and I think they're really gonna look good. I'm gonna go with soft uppers, so I can take those on and off as I need them.
These also come, I don't know if you can see them through the plastic, but they
cool.
come with pockets to put your stuff in, anything you want to put in there.
I like the Can-Am logo
Yeah,
too.
Can-Am logo, so it's pretty nice.
We'll put those on, and then we will follow up with a review, and we'll tell you what we think of them then.
Thanks for tuning in to Vision Garage. If you like what you see, and how could you not with all these great bikes around here, hit subscribe or like. We'd appreciate it. Plus, it's a great way to see what's coming up here in the garage.
Feel free to call us or email us on our existing inventory, and also check on anything that may be coming in. And also remember, we do custom work.